Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm just going to be going over some general information about our 2006 all the way up to 2023 Gixxer 600 750 Swingarm Extensions.
Okay, so for our '06 and up models, two finish options, like everything else. We got black and our raw aluminum with the option to have the Gixxer logo engraved on either one of them. For this one, the brake setup's really simple. It's your caliper is simply just going to slide into this slot, machine on the back of the right side extension, and once your axle tightens up, it'll keep it from rocking back and forth. As always, lifetime warranty on all of our products that we machine in-house. Any questions, just contact us, please. And that will wrap up our '06 and up 12-inch Gixxer 600 and 750 extensions.